Need to move files between your UGREEN NAS and a USB drive? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to do it step by step and get your data transferred or backed up securely. First, open the Sync and Backup app on your NAS. Go to Backup and Restore and click Create Backup Task. Select Backup Between Storage Pools and hit Next. Now, let's set up a backup from the NAS to your USB. Under Source, check the boxes for the NAS folders you want to back up. For the destination, select the folder on your USB drive where you want those files to go. Hit Confirm, then hit Next. For the destination, select the folder on your USB drive where you want those files to go. Hit Confirm, then hit Next. Next up is the backup mode. Incremental means any new changes on your NAS are added to the USB. But if you delete a file on the NAS, it safely stays on the USB. Image backup acts like a mirror. If you delete something on the NAS, it also gets deleted from the USB drive. Under Plan, set your schedule. You can choose to run it every day, on weekends, weekdays, or create a custom schedule. Hit Next and give your task a name. Under Preferences, you can check Backup immediately after creation. You can also select Backup instantly when the external drive is connected, which means the job will automatically run whenever you plug this USB drive in. Hit Confirm, and the job will start running. That's how you back up from NAS to USB. If you want to go the other way, just go back and create a new backup task. This time, under Source, select your USB drive. Your destination will be a folder on the NAS. This will copy all your data from the USB straight to the NAS. You'll set up your backup mode and plan exactly like before. Hit Next, then Confirm. And that is how simple it is to create a sync and backup job. Thanks for watching. Scan the QR code on screen for more tutorials and tips to get the most out of your UGREEN NAS.